All right, first and foremost, go Bills. Second, we're gonna be plowing our driveway with Eva today. All right, so obviously we live in Alaska. It's very snowy. It's currently a beautiful Alaskan day out here. I got like 2 hours of sunlight. So we're gonna clean up our driveway. As you can tell, our neighbor's driveway is pretty clean. Ours looks absolutely terrible. So we're going to hopefully just move all our vehicles out of the way. We'll then clean up the driveway with our beautiful plow. So Eva here has been a great vehicle for us. It's just been, let's say, more or less kind of useless here in the Arctic. So I decided to put this car to work. Instead of putting a plow on my really nice custom truck, I decided to put a plow on my YouTube car, because why not? I'm gonna see if it works. I have no idea if this is gonna work out for me or not. But right now we're gonna move all our vehicles. We'll get this thing started and we'll go try and plow my driveway with this thing. We're just gonna move the vehicles real quick. The Fummins and the Subaru are both plugged in. This thing only has a block heater on it right now. I gotta put pads on the motor and trans because that -20 and -50 is coming pretty quick. All right, let's see if she starts. Woo! Started pretty decent, actually. It's not too bad. It's only 16 degrees and she's plugged in. It's not that bad. But still as perfect and as beautiful as ever. All right, the cars are moved and all the snow is broken up from being compact from driving over it. And now we're gonna just take all this snow and we're gonna push it back there somewhere with the car. So we'll see how it works and if I'm breaking the car doing it. But yeah, super excited. I gotta get done kind of quick because the sun is starting to go down already. All right, she's running, we're looking good. She sounds like she's not having a good time. But she's running. We're gonna come out here and try and plow all the snow. I have no idea how it's gonna go. Didn't really work out that well. It just folded over on me almost immediately and caught, I don't think, anything. That's not great. So we're gonna try and fix that. All right, so I didn't think I didn't think it was gonna be that big of a problem, but it just folds over on itself. So now we're just clipping the winch on top of the plow. So we'll see if it works now. It's getting kind of dark out here, so we gotta hurry up and actually get this driveway plowed. But I fixed the plow. I think it's gonna work this time, but now I have to get the car unstuck, so we'll see how that goes. This is going really bad. This is not working out for us. We're gonna try like 1 or 2 more passes, and then I think we're done. That was a disaster. That was probably the worst project I've ever put together. That did not go well. I thought because the snow was so light and fluffy that it would just kind of push it out of the way. No, that did not happen. It broke everything like in the first 30 seconds. So yeah, now I gotta plow the driveway by hand, or buy something that actually can have a plow on it, or build this one better. But I already broke it, and the car's not enjoying the cold. So this is not really built to be a plow vehicle. So yeah, that's rough. Well, it was cool for the whole 5 seconds it lasted. I spent more time trying to get the car unstuck than I did trying to plow with that thing. It just broke on me almost immediately. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna find something else to do now. The car did not do that well at plowing snow, so we used our trusty dusty shovel, sadly. But driveway's somewhat cleaned up, and I figured I'm out here, I'm all dressed up, I might as well do something. So I'm gonna mess with my little motorcycle thingy and see if that works out here in the snow, which I also highly doubt, but it might be entertaining if I crash into something. Links in my chain. I think it's that one right there or something. I don't know which one it is exactly. I put it back together, but it's missing that clip. The clip fell out and then the chain fell apart, so now I gotta go find a new clip for it. But I think that's it. That's my last broken thing for today. Well, after that video, it's all uphill from here. So stay tuned. I ordered all my parts for Eva for the off-road safari car thing. So we're probably just gonna add a part, make a video, add a part, make a video, you know, just to make as much content as possible. And yeah, I'm really excited to keep making content. I'm trying to make this more. I've been growing a lot more. You know, the more content I make, the more I'm growing. So thank you guys for liking, subscribing, and commenting all the time. It's making a huge difference. And it's hopefully one day going to allow me to build way cooler stuff and do way cooler videos. I've got 2 or 3 really, really big videos in the works for next year. And it's with other creators this time. It's not just me trying to take a trip. They're with other creators. And I'm really, really excited. Like, I think we're gonna try and take Eva here out to one of the glaciers once we get her kind of set up for off-roading and all that. We're gonna try and drive out to one of the glaciers out here in Alaska It's gonna be kind of rough. That's kind of what I'm prepping the car for, is to go off-roading. We're gonna take a crew with us. That way, if I bury the car somewhere, they can get us out. But yeah, that's the plan. We got some big videos in the works for next year. I'm really excited to release them all. And like I said, I'm adjusting to the areas that I'm in. I'm in the snowy area. I need a vehicle that can handle the snow. This thing can't handle the negative temps, but the negative temps are only for like a month or two out of the year here. So we're going to adjust. We're going to get this car ready for off-roading capabilities, and we're going to keep making some awesome content for you guys. So like, subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. I always appreciate it.